How do we help young children crack the code of benchmark tests that they're required to take at the beginning, the middle, and end of the year in many public school settings? For example, the DIBELS assessment that stands for the Dynamic Indicators of Basic Early Literacy Skills, and that's administered 3 times a year to show growth in literacy skills. Well, we'll get to that. I'm Jenny. I'm an early childhood educator and a certified dyslexia interventionist, and I recently discovered this amazing product, this alphabet pouch from Matry Learning. And while we'll get to how this pouch is connected to improving your child's ability to read and understand how to do well on benchmark assessments, this product is so much more. To begin, I want to tell you about the pouch itself and how this pouch connects directly to concepts of print and print awareness before we even add the movable alphabet, the letters, to it. First of all, this pouch is really helpful for teaching directional words like open and closed, top and bottom. It's also very helpful for mimicking a book. Before we even put a book in a child's hand, the way that this pouch opens and closes, it can be directly related to a book. We can show how we would begin reading on the left and traveling to the right. When we open the pouch further, I can see that for those of us who are familiar with a pocket chart, this is a similar concept with little individual pockets for the letters in the alphabet. And so this is a wonderful way for students to be able to manipulate themselves, putting the letters in the individual pockets. So for example, I would teach pinch, hold, place. Pinch, hold, place would be my directions for my students once we get the letters. But prior to actually even getting the letters out, it's really important for children to understand that our beginning skills of print awareness begin with understanding how to hold a book, how to open and close a book, how to read from left to right, and this pouch can help prepare and teach those basic concepts of print skills. So back to the question, how do we crack the code? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to continue to share in the next video, where I'm going to talk about how this alphabet pouch and the movable alphabet helps with letter identification and phonemic awareness skills, and ultimately how we can prepare students to share that knowledge through something such as a benchmark test. To purchase your own pouch, please click on the link in the captions.